Here, this is the battery. This battery is 9-volt battery. It serves as a power supply for this circuit. Here is a rectifier. This is here is voltage regulator that will regulate the 9-volt battery to 5-volt. This one is capacitor. It will smooth the current, and there will not be sinusoidal wave on it. This is a resistor. This is two resistors. One resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Second resistor is 2 kilo ohm. They are calling it a voltage divider. This one is a microcontroller, and this is Bluetooth module. This Bluetooth module serves as a receiver. It will receive a message from the application here. When you receive the when you receive the message from the application, it will send it to microcontroller. Microcontroller will sense it and it will send it to server motor, and then it will work. Here is a switch on and off. Now you will now on the module here. You will see that it is blinking. You will see that it is blinking, and then you will now come here. You will come to your phone. When you come to your phone, you come on your Bluetooth. If you on your Bluetooth, you go to Pride. You go to more setting here. You will see the Bluetooth here. You will wait till Bluetooth show you the name of the Bluetooth. The name of the Bluetooth is HC-06. You see the name, and then you click on it for Pride, and then you press the password 1234. You okay. After you do that, you come to your screen. You will see this is the BT lock, Bluetooth lock application. You will open it. When you open it, you wait for the response from the application. It has been the response. You see Pride device. You click on it. You see the Bluetooth that you Pride, and then you click on that Bluetooth. When you click on it, it will show you since you have the Bluetooth has been connected. When you come to the components here, it's not showing the blinking again. And then when you tell the Bluetooth to, when you turn the application to lock the door, now you press the lock. You see the door lock. When you shake it, the thing has been locked. When you press unlock, the thing will unlock, and then you open it. You see that it has been unlocked, and then you close it back. If you still lock it again, it's your lock. You see it has been locked. If you unlock it, you see it has been unlocked. Okay, thank you so much. It's your boy Olamide, an innovator. Okay.